Let us play job. Voice crack. Wonder if that ever.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the left door.
What?
I'm going to the door on Suicide.
Okay.
You have a BB stuck on your
I'm going straight down the
basement.
hallway.
I know.
What? I'm going down the hallway. Yeah, I'm going on the left door. Vader, you got all the way down, man.
Vader, your E-light's on.
Yo, you want to take the right side?
Yes.
Don't let anyone in POW.
Does timer change?
POW or the right side of, like, on the
Go on
doorway?
the right side of the alley.
Yeah.
Get everyone in hospital.
Alright. Yeah, I got you. Noah, what the hell is
Alec, where are you going?
Where should I go?
I don't know.
I'll just go suicide. Dylan, I'll just go suicide, man.
Dun, 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 dun. Go, 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 go! Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Keep that right there. Ah! Oy.
Dude, I just turned down that.
One down. Oh shit. Hit. Oh, I think it was Ricochet, but oh well. Oh, hit. Ah, let's go, Bader. Oh, nice. Now, Bader, that's too cool. One down. You're out, bro. Come on. Really? Alright, that's one down. Evan, form up on me when you spawn. Form up. Where'd you get shot? Shit. Vader, Evan, come here. Yeah. Evan, come here when you respawn.
We're in hospital. Like they're in hospital.
Evan, the more pressure we put them on by the compound, the less time they're gonna think about the timer. So I say we push up here. All right, cool. On you. You good?
There's a guy right there.
Okay. Yo, we got B out.
Run me.
I'm gonna throw B.
Wait. Let me reload. You ready?
Good? Yo, whoa. Go.
Go.
Damn it. That didn't work. Okay. Yeah, that didn't work as planned. They're still firing.
No strobing at all. We catch you strobing, we'll have you.
Okay. Well. Alright, here. Come in this corner. Come over here. Watch the doorway. Ooh, ricochet. Good. Shit. That didn't work as planned.
Fucking hurt, dude.
Yeah, tough it out.
Where we going?
Timer.
Right down the middle.
Suicide. What the hell? Yo, kid. Kid. No blind fire. Yeah, but no blind fire. You can't go over like this. You gotta aim, you know? You guys gotta move. You gotta keep moving. Alright, well I'm not gonna cross this. I'm gonna get shot anyway, so.
You got it? Guys, let me give you some of this.
Alright.
No, it is. Someone's cooking?
What?
Someone's cooking from it?
No, let me know if you need one.
I think there's a guy in the right room. I got him both. Sweet. Alright, move in. Go. Go.
Is that friendly?
These are all friendly now. Move. Alright. Bang. Bang. Yo, I banged you before. Oh, my fault. I didn't see you on there. My fault. Yo, Evan, there's one in the window directly across from you. Give me 1 second. Oh, sorry, bud. Sorry. That was me. That was my fault. I got this. Go. I think I'm the first guy to actually lay down in Suicide Alley. Props to me. Go.
Ooh, I got him right in the ass. Window.
Oh. Evan, is that your light? Oh, never mind. Swag.
Game over, guys. Game over. All right.